My name's Barbie the Welder, and I design and create custom sculpture for exclusive clients worldwide. I am absolutely honored and stunned to have been commissioned by Jesse James Dupree to create an exclusive sculpture for Harley Davidson's 115th anniversary that Jesse is going to present to Harley Davidson on stage at his Jackal concert. I've got really cool video of how the build was done, and coming up there's also a short video of the presentation to Harley Davidson. So make sure you guys stay till the end so you can check out the presentation video as well. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, Jesse, for the commission. Thank you, Harley Davidson, for allowing me to make something really great for you guys. And thank you so much to Jackal for allowing me to present the sculpture on stage at the concert. Thank you guys.
I'd like to present to the Harley Davidson Company, and I'd like for Mr. Chris Irvin to please receive this. This is a celebration right here in a special. Barbie, where's Barbie at? Barbie, where are you? Barbie, come out here. Ladies and gentlemen, Barbie the Welder made this for Harley Davidson for the 115th anniversary.